Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can turn on transactions alerts in the Capital One app or website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So once you open your Capital One, what you will have to do is click sign in and proceed to filling out your username, your password, and then just go ahead and sign in. And after signing in, you should see the settings, which is right somewhere on the corner right here. And then what you will have to do is you will select notifications and then you will tap transactions alerts exactly like that. And then you will toggle on for the account that you want alerts for. And then you will just have to customize the alert types, which, for example, the purchases, the deposits, withdrawals, and so on. And then after that, you will just have to tap save and you'll now receive notifications for selected transactions. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and stay awesome.